You started off, the leaders have their right foot back, followers have their left foot back. We always stretch away, woo, with a little bit of tension here in this hand. A little stretch with a little bit of tension, which we then turn into a step. Walk, walk, trip, full step, trip, full step. We can do this all the time. Follows always stretching away on one and stretch. 1, 2, 3. If we add a little in, out, it'll prepare her for a spin. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. If we do that with both hands, we can turn into a barrel roll. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Trip, full step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, which we can then finish with another inside spin just to dissipate that energy. Then if we really want to sauce it up, she, he, it goes 1, 2, her, him, her, him, her, him, finishing with an inside spin, and then whatever move you want to follow that up with. By the way, I'm DJ JohnPaul. This has been the lovely Jess. Thank you very much, round of Nightclub. Take your partner over the bound line. Let's turn this into a mixer. High five and rotate. Well done. High five and rotate. Yeah, yeah.